Hello, today we're going back to basics and showing you how to make a side fold stepper card. Take a sheet of our hunky-dory adorable Scoreboard and I'm just going to trim it down to 28 centimetres. If you just take it along the other way, the measurement should be 21 centimetres, which it is, so we don't need to take anything off that. And we'll just pop it onto our adorable Scoreboard on the centimetre side we are working today. I just need to take the score tool . So we place this on our Scoreboard up to the left edge and we make our centre score line at 14 centimetres. Then we're just going to turn it round and decide how far we want our front panel to be, and today I'm going to make our front panel 10 centimetres. So I'm just going to measure that in from the side. Just measure in two places so I can ensure I get a nice straight line. And then mark that with the same pencil line across the front of the card. Okay, using this as a guide, I'm now going to score in my mountain valley folds. So for the back part of the card, I'm going to come to 7 centimetres, and that will be another 7 centimetres up to the centre fold we've already scored at 14. And then I'm going to come to 18, another 4 centimetres along, and then another 4 centimetres to 22, and then we're going to drop down to 3 centimetres to 25, and that will leave us 3 more centimetres to 28 at the end. You can now place this back on your trimmer, lining up your previously marked line with the cutting line on the trimmer. And I'm going to move my blade into the middle. And now I'm going to use the markers on the blade to cut between the first 7 centimetre mark and the last 3 centimetre mark that we have scored. So if I line this up to the first 7 centimetre line and gently just run that down to our 3 centimetre score line, and that will cut without cutting the edges off the edge of our card. Now we can fold this in half, and then we fold in our mountain valley folds. So we're going to go from the front, so it is a valley fold, so we fold in and then up, and then it'll be a valley at the top of the card and a mountain at the back. Give everything a good burnish with your score tool, and there we have our basic side stepper.